Hello students, in this video we are going to study subtraction of integers on the number line. Let's see one example, 6 minus of minus 2. Students, to subtract minus 2 from 6, if you move towards left hand side, where we will reach at 4. Then we have to say that 6 minus of minus 2 is equal to 4, but which is not correct, because we know that 6 minus 2 is 4, but not 6 minus of minus 2 is 4. Okay, yes or no? And therefore we have to move towards right hand side. Okay, so start from 6 and move towards right hand side. So whenever we subtract any negative integer, then we have to move towards right hand side. Okay, so where we'll reach at 8. And therefore we can say here 6 minus of minus 2 is what? 8. Students, let's solve one more example. Find the value of minus 8 minus of minus 10 using number line. Here minus 8 minus of minus 10 is equal to minus 8 plus 10. As we know that whenever we subtract in a negative integer, we have to add its additive inverse. Okay, therefore minus 8 as it is, and this minus sign will become plus sign. And what will be the additive inverse of minus 10? Plus 10. Therefore minus 8 minus of minus 10 is equal to minus 8 plus 10. Now this we can solve on the number line, right? Therefore we have to start from minus 8 and we have to make 10 jumps towards right hand side, okay, to add plus 10. So start from 0 and make 10 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So where we will reach? We will reach at 2. So start from 8 and make one jump to reach at 2. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 2. And we know very well that if one integer is negative, another is positive, we have to subtract. 10 minus 8 is what? 2, right? What will be the sign of greater number? Plus. Therefore plus 2 is the answer. Students, now we are going to solve exercise 6.3. First question, subtract 35 minus 20. Students, one thing you remember that whenever we subtract one integer from the another integer, you just add its additive inverse in that integer. Okay, so this 35 I written as it is, and this minus sign become plus, and what will be the additive inverse of 20? Minus 20. Okay, now here 35 is positive integer, 20 is negative. Subtraction. 35 minus 20 is what? 15. And greater number of plus sign, that is why plus 15 will be the answer. Let's solve one more example. Minus 15 minus of minus 18. Students, one thing you remember, subtraction we have to convert into the addition by writing its additive inverse. Okay, now therefore see minus 15 as it is, minus become plus, and because of this we have to write, we change here this sign. That is why we have to write its additive inverse. What will be the additive inverse of minus 18? Plus 18. Okay, this process we have to do only in subtraction, students, remember. Okay, subtraction we are converting in addition by writing their additive inverse. Now here one integer is negative, another is positive, again subtraction. 18 minus 15 is what? 3. Plus 3 is the answer. In this example, see, minus 20 minus 13. Now again subtraction we have to convert in addition. Minus 20 as it is, this minus become plus, and what will be the additive inverse of 13? Minus 13. Okay, now here we have both the integers negative, so addition. 20 plus 13 is how much? 33. What will be the sign of greater integer? Minus. So therefore minus 33 is the answer. I hope you understood this. Now let's solve one more question. Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than, or equal to sign. See here first example. We have here minus 3 plus of minus 6 and minus 3 minus of minus 6. We have to compare them. Okay, now first we will simplify and then we will compare. See here students, both the integers are negative and we have to add them. We know very well, if two integers are negative, we have to add them. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. Sign will be minus. Now here see, minus 3 as it is, here subtraction is there, therefore this we have to convert into the addition. Here instead of minus, plus will come, and here minus 6, additive inverse of minus 6 is plus 6. Now next here minus 9 as it is. Now here see, one integer is negative, another is positive. We need to subtract. 6 minus 3 is what? 3. What will be the sign? 6 is the greater number, so its sign will be plus, so 3 will carry plus sign. Therefore we can see here 3 is positive number and minus 9 is the negative integer, and hence 3 is greater than 9. Therefore this is also greater than this. I hope you understood this. Students, see here one more example. Minus 25 minus of minus 42, and here minus 42 minus of minus 25. Now here see, we need to subtract, and that is why we are going to convert this into the addition. Minus 25 as it is, minus will become plus, and because of this, what will be the additive inverse of minus 42? Plus 42. And here see, minus 42 minus of minus 25 we have, right? Minus 42 as it is, this minus will become plus, and what will be the additive inverse of minus 25? Plus 25. Now we can simplify easily. Here see, one integer is negative, one is positive. So subtraction. 42 minus 25 is 17, and a greater number is having plus sign, that is why this will be plus 17. And here see, again negative number, positive number. Subtraction. 42 minus 25 is 17, but greater number have minus sign, so answer will carry minus sign. Therefore we can easily compare them. This 17 is positive, this one is negative. Therefore this 17 is greater than minus 17. Therefore this one is greater. I hope you understood this, how to solve. Let's solve one more question. Fill in the blanks. In first example, minus 8 plus dash is equal to 0. We need to add one integer in minus 8, so answer will be 0. So students, we can add here 8 plus 8. So its answer will become 0. How? See here, one integer is negative, another is positive. Subtraction. And 8 minus 8 is what? 0. Therefore 8 will be the answer. See one more example. Minus 4 plus dash is equal to minus 12. So we need to find out here one integer. When we are going to add that integer in this minus 4, we'll get answer minus 12. So that integer will be minus 8. See here now, minus 8, minus 4. Both the integers are negative, so we can add them. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. And greater number have minus sign. Therefore, answer will carry minus sign. Let's see one more question. Dash minus 15 is equal to minus 10. Means we have to find out here one integer from which when we will subtract minus 15, answer will be minus 10. So that number will be plus 5. As one integer is positive, another one is negative, we have to subtract. 15 minus 5 is what? 10. And greater number are minus sign. Therefore answer will carry minus sign. So what will be that number? Plus 5. Students, let's solve one more question. Find minus 7, minus 8, minus of minus 25. So here subtraction is there. That is why what we'll do, we'll convert that into the addition and we'll write additive inverse of that subtrahends. Okay, minus 7 I written here. This minus in bracket 8 I wrote. This minus sign as it is, minus 25 as it is. Now this minus 7 as it is. Now instead of this minus sign, plus sign, and that is why we have to write additive inverse of this integer. What will be the additive inverse of this plus 8? Minus 8. This minus become plus, again additive inverse of minus 25 is plus 25. Now here see, first we will simplify this one. Minus 7, minus 8. Both the integers are negative, add them. 8 plus 7 is what? 15. And sign will be minus. And here plus of plus 25 will be as it is. Okay, now here one integer is negative, another is positive. Again subtraction. 25 minus 15 is what? 10. It will take plus sign as greater number have plus sign. What will be the answer? Plus 10 will be the answer. Let's solve one more example. 50 minus 40 minus of minus 2. Now see here students, again subtraction is there, so we'll convert that into the addition. Now 50 as it is, minus will become plus, and that is why what will be the additive inverse of minus 40? Plus 40. Now this minus also plus, write the additive inverse of minus 2 also, plus 2. Okay, now here this 50 as it is, plus 40 as it is, plus 2 as it is. Now 50 plus 40 plus 2 is what? 92. So therefore 92 will be the answer. Students, I hope you understood everything whatever we discussed today. Thank you. Have a nice day.